was great so far. Yeah,
I just
that's
feel
good,
like
that's
I've been
good.
seeing the same people all day, every day.
Today is going to be a great day. Since it's the day before Easter Sunday, I'm going to enjoy my time as much as I can. Although I wonder what I'm going to do today. I know what you should do. Spend all the time with your amazing family. It's always great to hang out with family and friends. That's a great idea. I guess I know what I'm going to do today. No, no, no! That sounds like a huge waste of your time. If you really want to have fun and enjoy yourself, then you should be playing your favorite video game. You know that your parents will never give you as much enjoyment as a boy your age needs. He makes a good point, but I don't want to be mean to my family. That's right, Cameron. If you spend time with your family now, then they will respect you. There's always time for games later. He is right, but listen to me, okay? You have been waiting all day for that online tournament to begin, and if you don't play now, the tournament will end while you are with your family. You have been planning this event for a while, so why give it up for something so unnecessary? Sorry guys, I need to go now, and I've decided to stay with my family and have a good time, because I believe that family is most important. I respect your decision, but you can't always let your good side win. Oh, don't listen to him. You did the right thing this time, Cameron. Bye. Bye. Bye.